So going to a little place called Mama Bear's Cafe. It's behind a QT and some kind of outlet mall thing. Looks like there's a bunch of karate dojos in here. Must be some kind of mall, outlet mall kind of thing, or I don't know. I've never seen this before, so it's kind of weird. Going to True Love Trail, right off Chapel Downs Drive. Chapel Downs, right on the True Love. See another driver. There. The wind picking up there. Good trees. Been on this road a few times over in Southlake. I'm wondering what this is right here. It's kind of covered up. It's got light underneath it. I guess it doesn't really matter. Or the 2 for $2 Buc-ee's jalapeno chips. It's loud banging. I think it's that thing right there. And the wind blowing. Well, we're in Justin to drop off some Popeyes. Buc-ee's jalapeno chips. Yay! And here comes a passing train in Justin, Texas. You can hear it too. And you can see Old Glory blowing in the cold wind right over that way. Old Glory blowing in the cold wind. Well, that's all I have for you for tonight. Oh, look at that piece of paper flying in the wind. It's a pretty windy night tonight on this January 19th, 2022. Y'all have a good night. And bundle up with some blankets. Right now we're looking at about 38 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's gonna be a cold one. A lot of wind. Pretty strange thing. I just noticed all these birds lined up right there. Kind of, I guess, maybe getting down from the wind or something. They're like, all of them are just kind of sitting there, maybe ducking from the wind or something like that. That's pretty crazy. But the sign was kind of funny. Try to train your dog to do this, but if you can't, would you mind helping out? So we're at Fuel City. Man, gas jumped up overnight. 309. My goodness.